How to fix this app cannot run on your PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are encountering the this app cannot run on your PC error in your Windows, then there are some things you can do to troubleshoot and fix the problem. The first thing you want to do is check your system requirements. You want to make sure that the app is compatible with your Windows. For this, you want to search for system information. Here, you will be able to find the system type. Ensure that you're using the correct version of the application for your operating system. If you have 64-bit, make sure you're using the application for 64-bit and not 32-bit. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is run your app as administrator. For this, right-click on the application. Then you want to select the option of Run as Administrator. This will resolve permission-related issues. If that doesn't fixes your issue, next thing you want to do is right-click on the app. Now you want to select Properties. Then you want to go to the Compatibility tab. Here you want to click on the Run Compatibility Troubleshooter option. Or you can also manually select an older version of the Windows to run the app. For that, from this drop down, select Windows 8. Then click on the Apply option. Then click on OK and check if your application is working. Now, next thing you can do is check for corrupted files. For this, on the search bar, you want to search for command prompt. Now, right click on that and click on Run as Administrator. Once command prompts open, you want to type sfc /scan now and press enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. With these steps, you will be able to fix this error, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.